focus on living a good life. And Japanese really live long. Anxiety will keep increasing because the world will always give us news. We forgot them. And thanks to this book and thanks to the authors, 15 amazing women. Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. I don't have a question for you, but I have two beautiful book recommendations for you. I read these books over the last few weeks. As I told many of you, I'm a very slow reader. I take weeks, months to finish books. But I also chose these books because of a topic which I think is beginning to become a very important topic in the 21st century, 2025. A couple of weeks ago, World Economic Forum published a report of the future of jobs, which has very exciting possibilities. But the report also talks about the massive importance of soft skills. And music to my ears, I and my team at School of Meaningful Experiences, we to love this topic. We focus a lot on communication, critical thinking, collaboration, and many more topics that the jobs report talks about, that they are mission critical in the 2025 and beyond. But there's one more exciting soft skill which is becoming very critical for us to all work on, and that is perseverance and resilience. ये बात करने में बड़ा मजा आता है, लेकिन throughout the world, our ability to persevere and be resilient is going down. We are also, thanks to social media and various other things, anxiety about the future, are living in extremely stressful times. And it's real. And this is where our ability to also prepare our mental strength, the perseverance and resilience to go through all of that is very, very important. Just like how we invest in our bodies, we go to gyms. I think there's a huge wave in lifting weights because the theory says कि जितना tough करोगे अपनी body को, after about 40-50 years, the muscle decay is lesser. So there's a lot of theories going on. All that is fine. So body के लिए हम लोग बहुत करते हैं, लेकिन दिमाग के लिए हम लोग ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करते हैं. And the दिमाग is a muscle. It needs to be strengthened. It is going through hell. It is also being crushed from all sides. And I have two book recommendations to increase, uplift your resilience and perseverance. The first one is a book called The 15, written by Angelica Aribam and Akash Satyavali. And very nice book. You know, हम लोग freedom fighters को याद करते हैं, Constituent Assembly 1947 के बारे में बात करते हैं. There were 15 women in that assembly and very little has been written about them. And thanks to these two authors, we now have an amazing book which has stories of these 15 amazing women who were there in the assembly, just 5%. And I'm glad that this is increasing day by day. Still not there yet, but we need more and more women in almost every place. And these women really shaped up our country, our governance, our lifestyles, our, democracy. And here are their names, some of them. Ammu Swaminathan, Annie Mascarin, Begum Qudsiya Azaz Rasul. Sorry if I got the pronunciation wrong. Dakshayani Veludayan, Durgabai Deshmukh, Hans Mehta, Kamla Chaudhary, Leela Roy, Malti Chaudhary, Purnima Banerjee, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Renuka Ray, Sarojini Naidu, Sucheta Kriplani, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. And every chapter is their story, very well written, simple. Ek to I like books जिसमें chapters बड़े छोटे छोटे होते हैं, and every chapter is a story. So this book ticks that. Plus so much to learn about these, resilient ladies who somehow prevailed in a world where only men were there and women were in minorities. And this country and the culture was also very different. But despite that, they prevailed and they came in the Constituent Assembly. They followed the values of leaders of those times and made a mark. तो अगर आपको चांस मिले तो ये बुक पढ़िएगा. बहुत ही सिंपल अच्छी किताब है. It talks about these 15 gritty, resilient women, and we should learn कि यार Sometimes हम लोग क्या होता है, all of us, when we go through our own stress and anxiety, we feel that the whole world is against us and I'm not able to handle it. Think about these 15 and many more who went against the grain, against the flow of the river, somehow prevailed, and it's nothing but grit, resilience, perseverance. The ability to just be there, just go through it, do what you have to do. Public ताने मार रही है, हंस रही है, everybody is saying कि तुम्हारी your position is not here in this assembly and you should be at home. But no, they said that we are as equal as anybody else. Any man or woman, we are equal. And we will help our country. And they did. And freedom fighters, social workers, philosophers, extremely enlightened, qualified people. But we forgot them. And thanks to this book and thanks to the authors, they've done a great service to our country by bringing out the stories of these 15 women to our lives. So padhiyega ye book, The 15, very well written. Second book. आजकल एक तो ये Japanese words are so beautiful, and there is this lovely book I chanced. It's called Ganbate, and what a lovely book. एक तो anything Japanese I enjoy because I worked in Japan for a few years. I was in Intel, so I used to go to Tokyo. I have some amazing friends there. They taught me so much, so I love the culture. And they have amazing books, and their words are so good. And this is that famous the Japanese picture of a wave, which is the Hokusai paintings. उस painting की भी एक कहानी है. And this is a great book, Ganbate. And the word says, एक तो चश्मा आजकल मेरे को दिखता भी नहीं है. The Japanese art of always moving forward. देख लो. And very nice. And the backside of the book says, Ganbate is a Japanese concept that means do your best. Keep going and never give up. Behind it is a way of thinking as intrinsic to the Japanese as the wabi-sabi and ikigai. और ये सब आजकल popular literature में काफी books हैं. There are many more books, something to do with coffee and living life, and एक बहुत अच्छी picture है, Perfect Days, a Japanese man enjoying his life. So there's a focus on living a good life, and Japanese really live long. So there is something in their culture that we should learn. And books like these, though not written by a Japanese person, it's written by Albert Liberman, and is a very well written book. Simple, patli si kitab hai, and it has simple chapters to help us become more perseverance, increase our resilience, and become more perseverant, and just keep doing what we have to do. So these two books I thought I'll share with you. Ganbate, very nice book, patli si kitab, about just keep doing what you're doing and lift your resilience and perseverance despite the failures, despite what the world says, despite sometimes thinking that I'm not good enough. Increase it. And the 15 stories of 15 women who were there in the Constituent Assembly of India shaped it behind the scenes. We forgot them, but thanks to this book, they are now in our homes and we are able to talk about them. I would like all of you to also remember that anxiety will keep increasing because the world will always give us news. Everything around us is collapsing, or so we think. But remember, I think it's all about lifting our strength mentally, building that muscle, becoming more resilient and perseverant, and going through that with a smile. So on that note, do share some books that inspire you, that you feel give you that courage to keep going in the comments and notes, and we'll compile it and share it with all of you. And on that note, stay safe.